Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check the replay in Skate 4. It's pretty easy. In order to check the replay, you just need to hold down D-pad key, and while holding down D-pad key you just need to choose this option replay, and once you choose that you'll able to check the replay. Right here, in order to rewind you just need to hit LT key or L2 key on your PlayStation and you'll able to rewind. In order to go forward we need to press RT key or R2 key and you'll able to go forward like this. So if you want to change the camera angle, for that you can use your right analog stick and you will able to change the camera angle just like this. And if you want to zoom this, for that you can use left analog stick and you'll able to zoom it. If you want to play this, just choose the point from where you want to check the replay, choose the camera angle and just hit A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation and you'll able to check the replay. If you want to export this, just hit the options key or your start key and you'll able to see the options for exporting. And yeah, that's all there is to it. This is exactly how you can check replay in Skate 4. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.